So this is just going to be a short video to show you guys an update on the signals that I sent today for Volatility 75 index, and also to show you how do I send these signals, how are the signals generated, what trading system am I using to generate all these signals, and also how you can manage also these signals. So most importantly, a lot of you guys want to have this trading system that I'm using. So what I do, I give the trading system for free to one person on each video that I make. So for you to qualify to be a winner, please like this video, and you need to comment in the comment section so that I know that you like the video. And when I see the comments, I actually just choose randomly who is going to win. So the more I see your name, or the more you participate, the higher the chance for that you are going to win this trading system for free. So irregardless whether you win it or you don't, if you want to have the trading system, you don't have the time to play this challenge where you have to like the videos and try and win the system, you can still contact me. I will give you my email address, and you can also DM me on Telegram. I'm going to show you guys how my trading system works, and I'm also going to tell you how you can get the trading system. So first of all, today I sent about 4 signals in the Telegram channel, and all the signals, they were winning signals. I also send these guys to let me just show you guys. This is my Telegram channel, and this is the last update that I did. This is the signal that I did. This is a long signal, so it's not actually suitable for all investors, especially if you have a $10 account or you have a very small account. But I sent some scalping signals earlier before. All the signals, the hit take profit, you can see this was the third one. I was saying 3 out of 3 wins, and also this was the second one. This was the 2 out of 2 win, and then this was the first one. All right, so I want to show you the last signal so that you see how I send it and why I said you should sell. All right, so this was the signal right here. I said you should sell now exactly at what? 806600. So if you go to your chart and try to look for the timer, all right, 8066 somewhere there. All right, so the reason I send this sell signal right here is because I saw an opportunity. All right, this is when I send, when this red box formed, this means for me this is a sell signal. All right, so I also gave you guys the first take profit, which was this line here. If you go to the Telegram channel, you're going to see this was take profit number 1, which was 801071. So you can also see that this was 80. Okay, the price is moving on top of this on the line, but you're going to see it right here, 801071. This was take profit number 1, and the take profit number 2 was right here on this horizontal line right here. So you can see when I send the signal right here, when the signal was generated, it actually moved. This trade never went in any drawdown at all, and the stop loss was just right here, which was about 0.8% in the negative. All right, so this is 0.8 movement, and if you go to our take profit number 2, you can see this is already almost, it's actually almost 1:2, and then the first one was just a 1:1, and we hit the first take profit, and it continued to go in our direction from right here. It went all the way, it almost hit the take profit number 2 right here, but it came back
a few moments later.
So you can see it moved a massive 1.37% in the positive. All right, so this is just how simple I trade. Whenever I get a red box, it simply means sell for me. So whenever I get a green box, like in this case, I was supposed to take a buy trade right here. All right, so this was just another simple winning trade right here. All right, so you can also see even the signals before that. So I'm using this period separator. If you check from here, This is today. So you can see we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 signals today on M6 chart. All right, so you can see this system is actually a non-repenting trading system, because if you look back here, this trade, it actually generated a sell signal right here. This currency, it's actually not a currency, but it's a volatility 75 index. So it generated a sell signal right here, and it quickly moved going back in the opposite direction. So this was a losing signal, but irregardless of that, it did not change the color of the signal to say this is now buy just because it went in the opposite direction. This is a non-repenting trading system, which means you can actually go back and see all the trading opportunities that were there on this time frame using the same settings. So once you get this trading system from me, I'm going to give you also my current settings. I normally change all these settings, so you guys, you should always come back to me, send me an email, or just contact me in any way that you know that you can get to me. All right, and ask for my current settings, so you can go back and see. So I was saying today it starts from right here where there's this vertical line here, this period separator. So I actually don't use this other indicator that is there. Let me just remove it. So I've just removed the other indicator because I don't use it at all. I don't know, that's moving average, I think. So if you go back, you can see that the first signal was a win. This system allows you to let the winners run and cut the losers short. So in this case, like for today, this was one big win, two, this is a small win, this is a three big win, this is the loss, and this is a very big win again, and another big win right here. So you can see that we're going to, the accuracy is extraordinary. This is very, very accurate. You can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wins and only one loss. All right, so you can also move back so that we see the trading signals for yesterday. So I'm going to use this period separator from here, going back. I'm not going to count this signal because I counted it on today, since it was crossing over to today's date. So I'm just going to try and create some space. Let's just do this. Okay, so you can see the period separator for here. This was started right here. So the first signal that was there, which came from a day before yesterday, which elapsed into today, is this big win right here, which is one win. This was also another win, was when you took the signal, it was actually around when this was generated right here. It actually went down all the way, I think about 0.6%, which is a massive movement if you know how VIX 75 move. So you can also see even the points there. This is massive trade. It was just another win, even though it's showing one box right here. Okay, so the next trade was right here, this one here, which was also another massive win, and also the third trade, which was going to be this signal here. So this one didn't move much in profit, but it just quickly it went in profit all the way 0.3%, which is still okay, before it turned back. And then this was another massive win right here, and another massive win going down, also a massive win here. And this one right here, this is not a trading signal. So if you guys have this trading system, whenever I give you a trading system, I tell you how it works. So whenever you see this big box, all right, covering a lot of big box, like from here to here, it's more than normal, the box. All right, like in this case, if you look at the right side, this is a normal box. This one is almost times 2 bigger. So if it's the signal that generate like that, we don't take that signal. But this signal right here, we're going to take it. This was a losing trade. And the next one after that one was this massive win right here. And this was going to be a small buy signal, small win. And also this one, it's a big signal right here. We're not going to take this one. But just in case you want to take this signal, what you do, you wait for once the signal generated, right, you wait for it to retrace back to where it normally would be. Like in this case, we have to wait for it to retrace to this area, all right, which is what happened right here. It reached here and then it went down. And then even if you wanted to take a trade on this one right here, you're going to do the same thing. We know that the box for this is supposed to end here, all right. So which means when this signal generated down here, we're supposed to wait for it to come back up here, and then we take our sell trade, which still was going to be another win. But I don't want you guys to be confused. Once you get this trading system from me, I will explain everything and I can guide you step by step and show you how the trading system works. So you can also go on and see the other signal. This was another massive win, all right. So these patterns, they happen every day, and these trading opportunities are there every day. So there's nothing to worry about, guys. Whenever you're trading using this system, you are going to make money, guys. So you can see this is still going towards our take profit number 2 right here. Okay, so thank you for watching the video, guys. If you want to have this trading system and you want to trade the way I trade, you want me to share more strategies, guys, contact me. I'll tell you how you can get the trading system, and I'm also going to show you guys a lot of other strategies that I share. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't be jealous, just hit that like button for me to motivate me to make more videos like this. So next, I want you guys to tell me what video that you want. Is it risk management? Is it any type of or maybe some of you don't trade the Volatility 75 index. This trading system can work on any asset, including other volatility indexes, all right. Like in this case, let's just check here. So you can see it can work with Volatility 10 index, 25 index, 50 index, 100 index, 10 1S index, 75 1S index. All these you can trade any volatility index, all right. You can also trade any time frame that you prefer. You can also go to H1 and load the system raw. So this is actually another system that I'm actually testing right now. I developed this system last month, all right. I developed this system last month. I'm still to share with you guys once I find the right settings. But as you can see, this is another massive system that you are going to get, all right. This, whenever you see this blue, it means we are going to buy right here. Sell when you see this magenta color right here, all right. So I'm still trying to perfect and to see which settings are the best for this system. So it's also good for so this is also good for higher time frames. You see these massive trends, you can catch it just before it forms. You can also get all these trading opportunities, all right, and make money from it, guys. You can see the losers are very small and the winners are very big as well. So thank you for watching the video, guys. If you want more videos, if you want me to show you this trading system how it works, if you want me to show you this trading system how it works, you can also contact me. All right, so to stand a chance to win this trading system for free, you need to contact me, guys. There is no shortcut about it. You need to like the video, you need to contact me, and you also need to comment on the video if you want to win it for free. All right, so that's it.